Good day. Today we'll be looking into this question. The question says, find the value of y which satisfies the simultaneous equation x plus y equals 5 and x squared minus 2y squared is equals to 1. You know that this is a simultaneous equation, but in simultaneous equation you can use substitution method as well as elimination method. But if you look at this equation that the question we'll be treating this afternoon, we'll be using substitution method. So this x plus y equals 5 is our equation 1, while this one is our equation 2. So now we want to rewrite equation 1 in such a way that we make x the subject of the formula. So x is going to be equals to y minus 5 minus y. So it will serve as our equation 3. So now put the value of x into equation 2. So instead of x squared, you are writing 5 minus y. So you have 5 minus y squared minus 2y squared is equals to 1. So 5 minus y into 5 minus y minus 2y squared is equals to 1. So now let's expand. 5 times 5, 25, minus y times 5 minus 5y, 5 times minus y minus 5y, minus y times minus y will give us plus y squared minus 2y squared is equals to 1. So the next thing that we are going to do, having expanded the bracket, is that you try to collect the like terms. So 25, it has no, but you can just bring in this 1. If you take it inside, give you minus, it's going to change to minus 1. So let's say 25 minus 1, give it bracket. Minus 5y minus 5y will give us minus 10y. So plus y squared minus 2y squared will give us minus y squared. So everything is equals to 0 because we brought in that one. So now the equation is now going to change to 24 minus 10y minus y squared is equals to 0. So we are going to look for two numbers that if you add them together it will give you minus 10y, but if you multiply them it's going to give you the product of this constant, which is 24, and the coefficient of minus y squared. So minus y times 24 is minus 24. So we are looking for those numbers. We can use minus 6 times 4. So you can use minus 10 minus 12 times 2. I mean minus 10 times 2. It will give you minus 24. So minus 12 plus 2, it will give you minus 10. The same thing if you use minus 4, and so to get a perfect, as in to get our equation perfect, we use minus 12 times plus 2. So it will give us minus 24, and at the same time factorize it, it's going to give us the correct factorization instead of minus 1 and minus 6. So now the next thing that we are going to do is, now instead of minus 10 we are going to put minus 12 plus minus 12. Instead of minus 10 we are writing minus 12. So it's going to be minus 24 minus 12y plus 2y minus y squared is equal to 0. So now put bracket like this. See, I just bracketed 2. So the common number here is 12. So we are going to have 12 into 2 minus y. So here we are going to have plus y into 2 minus y is equals to 0, which means that the common factors here is 2 minus y into 12 plus y is equals to 0. So therefore 2 minus y equals 0, or 12 plus y equals 0. Therefore our minus y is equals to minus 2. Therefore y is equals to 2, or y is equals to minus 12. So now if y is equals to minus So what's going to be the value of x? It's as simple as just put the value of y into the first equation. When our y is equals to 2, x plus 2 is equals to 5. It means that our x is going to be 5 minus 2. So our x is going to be 3. So let me write it to make it clearer. Our x, instead of x plus 5, x plus y is equals to, just x plus 2 is equals to 5. X is going to be 5 minus 2, which is 3. Similarly, x plus minus 12 is equals to 5. It's going to be x minus 12 is equals to 5, and x is going to be 5 plus 12, which is equals to 17. So the value of x is equals to 17 or 3, while the value of y is equals to y, and why the value of y is equal to 2 or minus 12. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.